Hello everyone, this is Uchenna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So I'll be sharing a very simple routine that has been helping me recently to minimize breakage, and so far I've been retaining my length. If your hair growth has been stagnant and stuck at a certain level, if you do the simple things I'll be practicing in this video, your hair will definitely stop breaking. You will never complain of hair breakage again. Your strands will become stronger and you'll be able to grow and retain a healthy long hair. These are some of the things I'll be using in this video. I had just brewed and set aside my green tea to cool down. This is a herbal infused oil. I'll be using this oil twice in this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any step at all. My hair is still work in progress, but with this routine there has been a lot of positive changes on my hair in terms of strength, health and length retention. Before we continue, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Hit on the bell notification so you don't miss future upload from me. Please like and comment on this video. This will help YouTube to push this video out to as many people that may need to see it. The first way I'll be using this herbal infused oil is as a hot oil treatment. This oil is so potent. There are so many powerful and healing properties contained in the ingredient that I use in making it. So check out this video up here to see how I made this oil. Okay, my hair has been shampooed. It is advisable to do this on a clean hair. This treatment strengthens the hair, reduces dryness on the scalp and on the hair. It promotes a good balance of natural hair production. For low to normal porosity, this warmed up oil will help to lift the cuticles, allowing moisture to be absorbed into the hair shafts. Okay, so the process of massaging the oil into the scalp helps to promote blood circulation in the nerves between the scalp. This will now trigger the dormant and dead hair follicles, aiding in hair growth. This treatment actually requires a lot of oil, but I have just this small. But because of the importance of this treatment, I just had to use the little that I have. So all I did was make sure that I get this to every part of my hair, my scalp, my strands. And again, the oil I use for this process is a very potent one. It's a very powerful oil. Okay, so after that, I still use my scalp massager to make sure that there is enough blood circulation. Then after that, I covered my hair for 30 minutes, came back, used cool water to wash everything off before I went ahead to shampoo my hair once again. So next is to shampoo my hair again. This is my shampoo, Cream of Nature. With this shampoo, a little goes a long way. But right now, I'm being very generous because of the oil on my hair. So using my fingers to massage and also my scalp massager, these two really do help me a lot. Also, washing my hair in a way that I'm not ruffling and tangling up my hair. Okay, so I'll just scrub and scrub and scrub until everything is out. And then I rinsed my hair off and went straight to the next step. So moving on to the next step, this is the game changer. Guys, I've talked about this green tea for some time now on this channel. Since I added this to my routine, it has drastically reduced the amount of hair loss that I see, be it when I'm washing my hair or doing any other thing on my hair, right? Green tea is a powerhouse for antioxidants, antibacterial and antifungal properties that work together to promote healthy hair growth, strengthen hair follicles and reduce hair loss. They help control dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. They add so much shine to the hair. So when I'm done with this now, I cover my hair. Normally I wash this thing off before I go into deep condition my hair, but this time around I just went straight to deep condition my hair. So you can do any of the both, right? So I went straight to deep conditioning my hair in order to restore moisture back to my hair and also to strengthen the hair. I like to show my workings in this. When I'm doing this, I like to show my working process, like application of the deep conditioner, steaming, combing out my hair, where you make sure that the hair is well detangled, just to make it easy for someone that is totally new to this hair care journey to understand. not just you transition and the person is wondering, what did you do in between to get here, right? I don't know if I'm making sense, but I shall know what I'm saying. So I just like comb by my hair to make sure my hair is well detangled, and then I washed everything off. So I'm just done applying leave-in conditioner to my hair. This is the second time I'll be using this herbal infused oil in this video. Guys, this oil is so powerful. This oil is so good. It has helped my hair so much. So I'm just putting it on my scalp, massaging it in to boost blood circulation, to promote hair growth, and also to seal in moisture. And this is the final step in this whole routine, right? So if you're still watching this video at this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video and drop a comment in the comment section. Drop your comment, your suggestion, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe. And to my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much. Your love, your support means so much to me. See you in the next video. Bye.